Greetings. Today we will make potatoes in pots baked in the oven. The recipe is simple. You only need a few ingredients, but the taste will make you want more. For 2 pots, 2 servings, we will need 5 potatoes, 2 carrots, 1 medium onion. I make 2 variants, vegetarian, with mushrooms, beans, and the second one with chicken. 100 grams of mushrooms, slice into cubes. Beans was pre-cooked, but you can use canned, 100 grams. Slice potatoes in cubes. Cut the carrots into cubes or strips. There are different options for preparing this dish. There is that all the raw ingredients are thrown into a pot and it cooks for 75 minutes. We will make a version where some ingredients will be slightly cooked. Fry the onion until golden brown. Add carrots and chicken. Cook for 5 minutes. Salt and pepper to taste. After 5 minutes, we can start preparing the vegetarian version. Fry mushrooms, carrots and onions for 5 minutes. Salt and pepper to taste. Let's lay out the base of our dish, potatoes, at the bottom of the pot. About half, 2/3. Fill the remaining space with our first option with chicken, carrots, and onions. Add cheese layer to taste. Let's start filling the vegetarian option. Lay out the potatoes at the bottom of the pot. About half, 2/3. Fill the remaining space with our second option with mushrooms, beans, carrots, and onions. If you like more liquid dishes, you can add 100 milliliters of water to the pot. Add cheese layer to taste. Bake in the oven at 170 degree, 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. The taste is simply incredible. You will definitely like it. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.